What is up, guys? It's your boy Noki here again with another video ready to show you 5 ways of how to stay organized at uni. First up, I want to say I haven't searched many videos about organizing, so these are all my tips. If they clash with any other ones, then it just means that it's just a good tip. Number 1, scheduling. By far the most important thing in uni is making sure you know when you have lectures, when you have breaks, and when you have time to go out. Scheduling is important as it makes sure that every day you know exactly what you're doing and you're not wasting time thinking about what to do. Things you should have in your schedule are study time, breaks, exercise, when you are going to wake up and when you're going to sleep, any religious activities you have, any meetings you're going to attend, when you're going to have breakfast, lunch and dinner. And also in your schedule, make sure you have some time to do the things you love, whether that is sports, any hobbies, art, or even learning a new language. And at the end of the day, make sure you have some time to review. It doesn't take long, but it's important to review so that you know how to improve each day as it goes along throughout the week. When reviewing, make sure you pick up the things that went really well throughout the day. Don't be disheartened if you didn't do everything you wanted to do. The schedule is only a guide for what to do throughout the day and not a robotic thing you should do. Number 2, folders. If you're very old school, you can stick with pen and paper, but have physical folders. Separate each folder according to its module and also semester. If you're about saving the planet, you can try electronical folders. You can download lectures now and put them into folders. Once you've got started, you're basically organized for the whole year. Number 3, have a spreadsheet of all the modules you have in each semester. Here I've got a template of my spreadsheet for each module. For each column, you can put down one module. And for every row, put names for each topic. You can try color coding it like I've done here. They're numbered 1 to 9. 9 being the most understanding and 1 being the least understood. When it comes to revising, I know exactly what I need to revise for. Number 4, make sure you build good habits throughout the week. Know exactly when you wake up and when you sleep. And when it comes to the weekend, you do the same. If you wake up later and sleep later during the weekends, that would affect your body clock and you have to adjust for the following week. One thing I've learned the most this year, it's a good habit to do everything in the morning rather than in the evening. For me, myself, I'm a night owl and I prefer to work at night. That's when it's the most quietest. But of course, this is a time when everyone tends to go out, and if you're invited to go out, you can't go because you want to revise. So revise early, that way you can have some time in the afternoon or in the evening to go out with your friends. It's a good habit to do things as soon as you've set them. This means nothing is piled up and you're less likely to lose track of knowing what to do and when to do it. When building good habits, make sure you prioritize what is important to you. Last but not least, number 5, keeping your room clean. In my own opinion, I do think that your room is somewhat a representation of how cluttered your mind can be. If you have a minimalistic lifestyle, that's even better. By simply reducing the things you own, you are simply reducing the amount of things you need to care for. Try your best to stay consistent with all these tips. If you can't, don't worry. Try and try it again until you get used to it. Until it becomes natural where you don't even need the tips anymore. If you like the video, give the video a thumbs up and even subscribe. Let me know down in the comments whether you like the video, what you've gained from it, and also if you have any advice for other uni students. At the bottom, I've put down a template for all the spreadsheets for you to get started on scheduling and also keeping a track of your modules.